Everyone want to save on shipping costs when buying multiple items from the same DHgate seller. Here's a quick trick that can save you money, especially if you are new to DHgate. So once you've added items to your cart, go to your checkout, but don't pay yet. Instead, choose pay later. That's an option to reduce or lower the cost. And then confirm the unpaid order. Now head to your section and then contact the seller, send a message like, please give me a freight discount on this order, etc. etc. And that's it. Most of the time, the seller will be happy to reduce the shipping cost. And once they update the total, go back to the order and complete your payment. And that's how you can actually reduce the shipping cost. Another way is to use a shipping drop service or asking the seller to consolidate items into one shipment. This cuts down on multiple fees. Like so, and that's it. So make sure to always ask for discounts and consolidate orders when possible. And also keep these tips in mind, like confirm the order by saying pay later. Then once the seller updates the price, just pay the amount, and hopefully you will save a lot on shipping cost.